So today, I'm working on fixing this transfer case plug here. The threads are stripped out on the original plug. It had rubbed on my transmission mount that I had made. You see it deformed the top there. Basically just stripped out the threads in this hole. So got a new plug, Heli-coil, and a new 41/64 drill bit. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try to do it without splitting the cases. Just gonna fill the hole down here with some grease to keep the metal shavings out. We'll see how it works. So I got the Heli-coil in. My hole was not deep enough for the whole coil, so I had to cut it right here. So there's a little bit of extra sticking up above the edge of the hole. So I think I'm going to use a Dremel or something to try to cut it down just below the edge of the hole. But otherwise, wasn't too bad of a process. Still have to break the tang off down there at the bottom. But so far, so good. All right, it's all back together. Got our new plug in, re-greased the spring. This permacoil tool here that I got on Amazon worked flawlessly. So nice little repair there for about 70 bucks worth of tools and parts. Not too bad.